everybody, it's Neil again, and today I have I don't know if it's a Dumterr or Oumter. You can see right there, that's what it is. It's the Model C1, it says on the bottom here. And I don't have the box for this because I had done a whole video unboxing this, and then I went on a water tube ride, and my phone is at the bottom of a river somewhere. So I had to get a new phone, but we can check this one out here. So this is a 3-in-1 charger. If you've seen some of the other 3-in-1 chargers I've done some that are the Q, or is it or I don't know, the wireless charging. Like, so this one here is going to wirelessly charge the watch, but the AirPods and the phone are going to actually plug in. So I'm going to show you how this works here. So I've got the Apple Watch right here, and so you just put it on there, and there it is. It's charging. You can see it's got the little thing on there. And then for the AirPods, I tried it in the case. I don't think it didn't fit. Just doesn't quite make it. So I have to take them out of my case in order to charge it on this particular one. So if we take it out of the case, we put it on there, it just slides right in. It kind of snaps in, and you see it lights up, so that means it's charging. So that works really good. And then the phone, you can see it's got this little section over here, and you can actually put this little piece down and then put it back up again and kind of aim it where you want, what angle I guess you want it at, and then you kind of push it in. So then it kind of holds it in place, and the phone slides onto it, which is kind of nice. If you have a case, you kind of got to move it back a little bit and start messing with it a tiny bit. I don't know exactly how to get it to do too much. And then once it goes down, it's really hard to get back up again. So that part, hopefully you don't have to do it too often. I mean, you don't mess with it too much. Once you get it set up, you just kind of leave it. So now it's set up, and then you can kind of aim the little plug. So there it would have some distance, and it would charge it that way. So if you like to charge with the plug-in one, this is a good one for you. If you like to charge wirelessly, you want to get a wireless one. But I seem to get more reliable charging and stuff with this one here. The other one, sometimes if you don't get it on there just right, it doesn't charge it. You wake up in the morning and you are out of luck because you don't have a charging your battery. So this one's kind of cool. I kind of like it. So I'll be using this one in this room here. This is just the extra room. And hope you like it. I like this one, and I did use it before. I was just kind of playing with it, so that was the reason it is. You can push the button here to turn the light on and off. It's really weird, kind of like a light sensor button. Oh, it's actually dims. Okay, but there it is, and I like it. I've been using it for a little bit, so it works. I just don't have the box to show you an unboxing, so I'm just giving you a review instead, and it seems to work pretty good. So I like it. Thumbs up. Links in the description, hopefully, if I can find it again. And like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.